Welcome to a journey towards achieving a powerful and focused mind through mindfulness meditation. This practice is an exploration of the mind's vast landscape, a voyage into the present moment where the chatter of thoughts begins to quiet. Mindfulness meditation, at its core, is about focusing on the here and now, being fully present in this moment, and not lost in thoughts of the past or the future. Imagine a calm, clear lake, undisturbed by ripples. That's the state of a mindful mind. Through this practice, you can learn to let go of distractions, acknowledge the thoughts that arise, and then gently let them go, just like releasing a balloon into the sky. The benefits: stress reduction, improved focus, better decision-making, and an enhanced sense of well-being. Join us today as we guide you through a 10-minute mindfulness meditation designed for beginners. The mind is a powerful tool. It can be our greatest ally or our biggest enemy. Indeed, our minds are intricate, complex, and profoundly influential. They shape our perceptions, govern our emotions, and ultimately drive our behaviors. Yet many of us spend more time maintaining our physical bodies than we do exploring and understanding our minds. Consider the mind as an iceberg. The small portion visible above the water represents our conscious mind, the thoughts and feelings we're aware of. But beneath the surface lies a vast expanse of unconscious thoughts, feelings, and memories. This is the part of our mind that influences our behavior without us even realizing it. Let's take a moment to reflect on the life of Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple. Known for his innovation and creativity, he attributed much of his success to the power of his mind. He once stated, "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." This statement not only reflects his audacious mindset, but also underscores the immense power our minds hold. Jobs wasn't born a tech genius. He had to cultivate a mindset of curiosity, resilience, and relentless pursuit of his vision. His story is a testament to the power of the mind and how it can be harnessed to achieve exceptional things. Our minds are like wild horses. Left untrained, they can run rampant, leading us down paths of stress, anxiety, and negativity. But when we take control of the reins, we can steer our minds towards positivity, personal growth, and success. This is where mindfulness meditation comes into play. It's a practice that allows us to become observers of our own minds. It's about acknowledging our thoughts and emotions without judgment, and then letting them go. It's about being fully present in the moment, letting go of distractions and concerns. Harnessing the power of the mind through mindfulness meditation can lead to a more focused and balanced life. It's about taking control of our mental horse, guiding it towards the path we want, and ultimately, living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Now let's guide you through the steps of a mindfulness meditation. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes. You might prefer a traditional cross-legged posture or sitting on a chair. The key is to keep your back straight, not stiff, allowing the natural curvature of your spine to align properly. Next, close your eyes. This helps to shut out external distractions and allows you to focus inward. If you prefer, you can also keep your eyes half open, gazing softly at a fixed point in front of you. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Don't try to control or change your breathing in any way, simply observe it. This is the essence of mindfulness, being fully present in the moment. As you focus on your breath, you'll notice that thoughts will pop into your mind. This is perfectly normal. Our minds are thought factories, producing a constant stream of thoughts. The key is not to engage with these thoughts or get carried away by them. Simply acknowledge their presence and then gently bring your focus back to your breath. Sometimes you might experience strong emotions or physical sensations. Again, simply acknowledge them without judgment or resistance. Imagine them as clouds passing by in the sky of your mind. They come and they go, but you remain anchored in the present moment by your breath. It's important to approach your meditation with an attitude of kindness and compassion towards yourself. Don't be hard on yourself if you find your mind wandering frequently. This is a part of the process. Each time you notice your mind has wandered and you bring it back to your breath, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. Remember, practice is key. The more you meditate, the better you will get at it. Now it's time for our guided mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit and close your eyes. Begin by focusing on your breath. Feel the cool air as you breathe in, filling your lungs, and then the warm sensation as you exhale. Pay attention to this cycle of breath. noticing how your body expands and contracts with each inhale and exhale. This is your anchor, your home base. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Bring your attention to the sensation of the chair beneath you, the ground beneath your feet. Feel the weight of your body and the gentle pull of gravity. You're not just in this moment, you are this moment. You're not just in the world, you are the world. Let's take a moment to check in with our bodies. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down, noticing any sensations, any tensions. Maybe it's a slight tightness in your shoulders, a warmth in your heart, or a tingling in your toes. Simply acknowledge these sensations without judgment. Now, as you sit there, thoughts will inevitably arise, and that's okay. You might be thinking about what you have to do later, or maybe you're replaying a conversation from earlier. Whatever thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them. Say to yourself, "I see you, thought," and then, like a leaf floating down a stream, let it go. As you continue this practice, you'll notice your mind becoming quieter, more serene. It's like a pond that's been stirred up. The more you let it be, the more the sediment sinks to the bottom, and the clearer the water becomes. Now gently shift your focus to your heart. Imagine your breath flowing in and out of your heart, radiating love and kindness with each exhale. If it feels right, silently repeat the phrases, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." Finally, let's bring this mindfulness practice full circle. Return your focus to your breath, noticing the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Feel the rhythm of your life force, your breath. It's always there, always present, just like you. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to appreciate the calm and peace within you. This quiet space is always available to you, no matter how busy or chaotic life may seem. Remember, mindfulness isn't about emptying the mind or stopping thoughts. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts, your feelings, and your sensations, and meeting them with kindness and curiosity. Take a moment to appreciate the calm and peace within you. This is the power of mindfulness. Well done on completing your first mindfulness meditation. As you journey onward, remember, mindfulness meditation is not just a practice, but an integral part of a balanced lifestyle. It's a tool that can help you gain control over your thoughts, directing them towards success, positivity, personal growth, and love. It's a window to being fully present, letting go of distractions and concerns, acknowledging and releasing thoughts as they arise. The beauty of mindfulness meditation is that it's accessible anywhere, anytime. Start with just 10 minutes a day and experience the transformation. It's a journey, not a destination. Every step you take is a step towards a more powerful and focused mind. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section, and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our future videos. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today towards a more focused and powerful mind. Thank you for watching.
What's your next step towards greatness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and keep believing in the power of your dreams.